What's cracking? So PSX. This is Phillips 66, and they are an interesting oil company. Maybe I'm over here at the shutdown mall in South Africa, outside of a closed down pizza restaurant that has internet, trying to get a stable internet connection because it's been absolutely nutty, like trying to connect to the internet and get these videos up. Um, and I'm always laying down because I had back surgery and it's painful and dangerous for me to sit in chairs. So I lay down or stand up for most of my videos. So PSX is, um, yeah, it's Phillips 66, and they're supposedly very, very interesting because they're an oil refining company, and the cheap oil prices may benefit them, and we're gonna see what they actually look like here. So, I mean, they've been going down with the whole oil industry since before the crash. And here's our crash, right? So the stock market did a dead cat, it did a dive, and it did a bull trap. And what did they do? Not too bad. Let's check it out. So they haven't they haven't taken a dive like the rest of the oil companies. And they certainly didn't go parabolic like the oil tankers during this bull trap just went like, whoa, crazy parabolic. But like Scorpio and Nordic America and TK, those oil tankers are up really high right now. But Phillips 66 looks interesting. I don't think that it's inside of the USO oil ETF. I'm not sure. I don't think it is. And and they are up on the bull trap. They didn't just like flatten and tank like most of the oil companies did. And I mean, I think the next move down, they'll pull down some, and then probably not much of a bounce on the next bull trap, and then down some more. So they're not super interesting during the crash, but I think at the end of the crash, when we get the credit expansion cycle, they might benefit from that. And I've been trying to listen to the news about the oil tankers and the oil storage, and I think there is a little bit more oil storage in America and China than people are saying, and then there's a lot more oil tankers in Europe that can hold oil, so I don't think the oil storage shortage is as dramatic as people are saying it is. I don't know how long it'll drag out. And the low oil prices, I mean, they could be low for a week or a month or like 10 years. It's really hard to say what's going to happen with the oil prices. Um, but this is one company that could potentially benefit, and I don't think they're I don't think they're particularly interesting until maybe the end of this cycle where we get different conditions and they might be a good long for the credit expansion phase. That's a look at Phillips 66. Um, yeah, I don't know. Their graph just, whatever. It didn't do anything crazy. I mean, when I looked at those tankers, they were going nuts. It was just like, okay, wow, those things are nutty right now. So I really like the tankers, but the tankers are up. They're up really high, and they're gonna come down a little bit, and it's hard to kind of maybe get in on the next bull trap and get another run, and maybe the tankers will be good here. Phillips 66, less interesting. All right, that.